Every time you walk down the hair care aisle or scroll Instagram, you find yourself persuaded to try yet another product, promising healthier, shinier, fresher, cleaner, or an overall more fly head of hair. But aside from the label telling you that it's the best to care for your gray hair, you're still left questioning, does it work though? Or what's in it? Well, check this out. In just 1 year, thousands have chosen greatness with Manhattan Gray, a unique blend designed to moisturize gray hair with no fillers, additives, unknown fragrances, or hard to pronounce ingredients. Just a precise blend of plant-based ingredients for gray hair, carefully chosen to get you right. Manhattan Gray is a lightweight, simple mixture of the 6 of the best oils for gray hair. So what's in it? Apricot oil for easier to maintain hair. Apricot oil is what's helping you maintain your style. Rich in omega-9 and omega-3 fatty acids, apricot oil makes gray hair softer and more manageable. Whether you need to keep your waves on swim or pull your hair into a sleek ponytail, it's the apricot oil that will help keep it together. Additionally, apricot oil is packed with vitamin E, which keeps your scalp healthy, resulting in hair retention and growth. Avocado oil for moisture and repair. Avocado is praised by many for its internal benefits when eaten. Toast anyone? However, over the past few years, it's become a go-to for black hair care because of its vitamin A, B5, and E, as well as its richness in biotin. You know, the biotin that's in those hair, skin, and nail vitamins? Like that, but in an oil that is 10 times more effective. Avocado oil is known for repairing split ends, keeping hair moisturized, and strengthening strands individually to prevent breakage. Lavender oil for a cleaner scalp. Lavender oil is the OG essential oil, but when it comes to black hair care, it's way more than just its calming aromatherapy vibes. Lavender oil has its antimicrobial properties that help keep fungus and bacteria in the scalp, which prevents and eliminates dandruff. Did we mention that it smells bomb? Peppermint oil to stimulate hair growth. Peppermint oil by itself just feels right. Its fresh and cool scent alone makes it appealing. But behind its chill surface, peppermint oil is a game changer when used with a carrier oil like jojoba or sunflower oil. The menthol in peppermint oil increases blood flow of the scalp, preventing hair loss and aiding in hair growth and promoting a healthy scalp. Sunflower oil to fight humidity and prevent dandruff. Typically, sunflower oil is used for cooking, but recent studies and experimenting amongst the natural hair care community have tapped into the benefits of using sunflower oil as a carrier oil to prevent dandruff and to help fight humidity. Rich in vitamin E and oleic acid, sunflower oil is lightweight enough to blend with oils like lavender and peppermint, but also hydrating enough to hold in moisture and prevent frizz. Jojoba oil to protect from sun and heat damage. Jojoba oil is top 2 and not 2 in black hair care because of its overall effect on thick, curly hair. Jojoba oil is known to work its magic from the inside out. Aiding in restoring the natural pH balance of hair, jojoba moisturizes on its own, meaning it will not cause your hair to produce more or less of its natural oils, which can often leave hair over-moisturized, greasy, and heavy. Jojoba oil gets in where it fits in and helps to maintain the exact amount of moisture your hair needs. Additionally, because it sits on the outer cuticles and seals in moisture, jojoba oil protects the hair from sun and heat damage. When combined, these 6 essentials give us Manhattan Gray and are helping the gray hair community live our best and healthiest hair life. From helping to maintain your style to preventing hair loss and dandruff, our cream or serum is all that's needed to take your hair from gray to great.